Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be continuing with the basic crochet stitches. Today's video I will be showing you how to do a double chain stitch, and the double chain stitch makes a sturdier foundation than a simple chain, and it can also be used alone for a narrow trim or cord. So let's get started. So to begin, we're going to start with our slip knot. Wrap your yarn around your fingers, bring your hook through, grab your yarn and bring it up. Give it a little tug. And then you're going to tighten it up just enough to where it slides easily over your hook. We're going to chain 2. So yarn over and pull it through that loop. Here's 1 and 2. And for this one, we're going to single crochet into the back loop only. So here's your front loop and here's your back loop. And you're going to single crochet just in that loop. You're going to skip the first chain from the hook and work into that second chain. So into the back loop only, and do your single crochet. And then we're going to continue to do single crochet into that back loop. So when you're holding it like this, it's the one on the left. And you'll just go under that loop, grab your yarn, bring up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And you'll just keep doing that. So not through this first one, but through that one that's over there on the left. And do your single crochet. And that is it. You just keep doing that until you reach the length that you need for your chain. And this one, since I'm using the 6.5 millimeter, it's a little bit bigger. So you can see what you're doing. And you end up with one side where it looks like this, and then the other side comes out looking like this. And this can be used for your foundation row. So instead of just doing a regular chain, you can do this, and then you'll work into these loops up here on the top. Or it can also be used for edging on the edges of your work, or you can actually use it as a cord for like a strap to a purse or a little bag. You just continue doing your single crochet, and always go through that left loop of the single crochet that you had just completed. And there you go. So to show you the different effect of different sizes, here was the one with the 6.5 millimeter hook, and then over here I went ahead and did one. This one's a 3.5 millimeter hook, and you can see the difference in size here. And you can see when you use the smaller hook, you end up with a smaller stitches and a tighter tighter stitches. And then that's what the back looks like. So the smaller your hook, the smaller and tighter your stitches will get. And that is a double chain stitch. So thank you for watching my video, and check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel to see any upcoming videos, and have a great day.